Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the Thai fried rice. Thai fried rice is very typical street food dish in Thailand and you will find it at any restaurant as you go. It's quite easy to make and it's usually pretty tasty as well. You can order Thai fried rice with any kind of meat you want, but probably the most popular version is with shrimp and also with the pork as we do today, which we will be making in this recipe right here. The most important thing is to prepare all of your ingredients. First we chop the garlic, cilantro, and for vegetable you can use all vegetable you like. Today I'm use broccoli or you can use Chinese broccoli, and also I use the carrot and then cut it to be the little pieces. Also some tomato, last one is pork, cut to be the little pieces, or you can use shrimp or chicken as you like. There are all ingredients that we prepared before, but when we cook it use only a bit of time after you prepare all ingredients. First start with put vegetable oil onto the pan and use the medium to high heat and then add the garlic. Then I'm gonna put the pork and stir fry together. Broccoli go in because broccoli is a bit of time for cook, and then we put it first. When the pork is almost cooked, and then we add 1 or 2 eggs as you like, and then stir fry. The rice is actually best to use their old rice as its sort of dry out. However, if you only have fresh rice which has just been cooked, the best thing to do is just put in the bowl and let it air dry for a while until it's completely cool. If you fry fresh rice directly from the hot pot when it's still moisture, it's much easier for rice to just stick the pan, and also is not very dry when we fry the rice. And then I'm gonna put the carrot. We're gonna put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of the seasoning soy sauce. Half tablespoon of the oyster sauce and half teaspoon of the sugar. and then stir fry it together until it's completely mixed well. You need to press the rice to make it break out to form that one that stick together. And then I'm gonna put the tomato and stir fry. And add a bit of pepper. And now our fried rice is ready to serve. You can see it look very nice. And I will also be preparing prik nampa, which is famous in Thai condiment of the chilies mixed with the fish sauce. You will find this condiment at nearly every Thai street food restaurant, and it's absolutely must when it comes with the Thai fried rice. That is just unique Thai. And also we serve with the lemon. That is a very good combination. I hope you give this try for this recipe, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.